Meet Bim. He's a master in our city, but he's totally short of time. Bim is looking for someone to help him. Let's do it! We need to sew a stuffed elephant. Choose the fabric you want to sew the toy from. What an unusual choice! Let's see what comes out. Drag the templates onto the fabric. Tap the template to cut out the pieces. Tap the template to cut out the pieces. Ready! Tap on the sewing machine to sew the toy. That's it! Stuff the toy. Drag the stuffing onto the toy. Let's decorate our toy. Drag the decorative parts onto the toy. Done! Let's choose a packaging for our toy. Drag the packaging onto the table. Well done! Now drag the toy onto the box. Tap on the box to put it together. You did it!